Imagine being in a critical trade, needing to execute, and your screen just locks up. That's not just frustrating, that's costing you money. Well, I'm here to tell you the brutal truth about what it really takes, the mistakes you'll make, and why for traders, building your own machine might just cost you more than you think. This isn't about saving a few bucks. This is about your trading performance. It's about your sanity and ultimately your bottom line. As an expert in the high-performance trading computer market, I've seen countless traders try to save a buck only to lose far more in performance and in frustration. Most of these DIY guides out there and the videos that are out there are for gamers or for general users looking to save a few bucks on a casual machine, not for serious day traders who rely on their PC for income. They don't understand the relentless demands of running multiple instances of Thinkorswim, of NinjaTrader, and the critical importance of stability for trading view charts, or why every single millisecond counts when you're staring down a breakout in TradeStation. So stick with me here because I'm about to expose the hidden costs, the time sucks, the performance traps that these build-your-own PC gurus conveniently forget to mention. And you'll learn why a bargain build can quickly turn into a nightmare, and how to avoid making a costly mistake that could sabotage your own trading. First up, let's talk about the illusion of saving money. On paper, sure, buying components separately can look cheaper. You'll go online, you'll see an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K for 550 bucks. You'll see a high-end NVMe SSD like a Samsung 940 Pro for 150 bucks. And suddenly you're doing mental math. You're thinking you're a genius. It seems like you could save a few $100 going the DIY route, but that's only looking at the receipt, not the reality. Let's talk about the compatibility nightmare. You think you picked the right motherboard, the right CPU, the RAM, a graphics card. Sounds easy, right? And I'm not trying to baffle you with all this computer jargon, but I want you to know that one wrong component and your entire build is dead in the water. Or worse, you're introducing critical latency and slippage while you're trying to trade or while you're trying to place an order. An unstable trading machine is a ticking time bomb. It's going to freeze, it's going to crash, and it's going to do the absolute worst at the worst possible moment. Don't even get me started on the time investment, that time suck. Researching components, watching endless YouTube videos, troubleshooting compatibility issues, assembling the machine, installing the operating system, installing the drivers, optimizing the Windows settings. You're looking at dozens, if not hundreds of hours if you don't really know what you're doing. Think about it. How much is your time worth per hour? If you spend 50 to 100 hours building and troubleshooting a new machine, that's potentially many thousands of dollars in lost trading time or opportunity costs. Our expert pre-configured systems at Easy Trading Computers ensure that you spend zero time troubleshooting and 100% of your time trading profitably. So what is your time really worth to you as a trader? Every hour you spend fiddling with hardware, optimizing Windows, is an hour you're not analyzing charts. It's an hour you're not refining your strategy. It's an hour you are not trading. That's a direct opportunity cost, and it's often far more expensive than that perceived savings on a do-it-yourself build. Now let's talk about the software side of things. Building a PC isn't just about bolting parts together. It's about optimizing Windows 11 for peak performance. It's about removing all the background bloatware, the telemetry, the background services that are constantly stealing your system resources. Optimizing Windows 11 settings like GPU scheduling. It's equally critical to prevent micro stutters that can cost you on every trade. Microsoft Windows is packed with features that are great for casual users who stream Netflix, who use Facebook, but it's absolute garbage for a lean, mean, focused trading machine. And if you don't know how to ruthlessly strip that out, your powerful do-it-yourself build will still be chugging along like a potato. You need to know which services to disable, how to tweak power settings, how to optimize network adapters for low latency. These aren't just minor adjustments. These are critical performance enhancers that most do-it-yourself builders completely overlook. And by the way, if you're thinking about a new trading computer, go ahead and grab a free copy of my complete guide to trading computers. There is a link in the description. It covers everything you need to know before you spend a dime. From CPUs to cooling to monitors, it's an absolute game changer. Now, on that do-it-yourself build, let's talk about the warranty and the technical support. When you buy a purpose-built trading computer from a specialist like Easy Trading Computers, you get a single point of contact. If something goes wrong, you call us. We diagnose it, we fix it, we've got your back. At Easy Trading Computers, we back every desktop with a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, and we provide lifetime in-house professional technical support. This is a premium service. If you call us, you give us your name, we know your exact build, we know what you're doing as a trader. We only deal with traders. And that's peace of mind you're not going to get from a do-it-yourself build. When you build your own computer and a component fails, who are you going to call? The CPU manufacturer? The RAM manufacturer? The motherboard vendor? You're playing detective. You're dealing with multiple companies. You're shipping parts back and forth. It's a logistical nightmare that can take weeks, during which your trading is completely hosed up. So here's the truth. Building your own trading PC can be done. There's no doubt about it. But it's not the simple money saver most people think it is. It demands a significant investment in time, in expertise, and a willingness to troubleshoot complex technical issues. For a trader who wants to focus on trading, that time and mental energy are better spent on the markets. The real cost of a cheap do-it-yourself build isn't just the parts. It's lost trading opportunities, the stress, the instability, and the sheer frustration when inevitably that machine lets you down in a critical moment. Don't cut corners when your livelihood is on the line. Again, if you're considering a new trading computer, grab the complete guide to trading computers. That link's in the description. And again, it covers everything you need to know about putting together a future-proof, complete trading system. Do yourself a favor, slam that subscribe button. I promise to keep generating videos just like this to help you optimize your trading experience. And if you want to learn about the ultimate computer for trading, then you definitely want to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And as I always say, may the trend be with you.